Whether it's news, sports, culture or entertainment, we've got you covered. Talk Back with Anjan Ganesh on Talk 100.3.
Thank you so much for joining us, keeping you company as you drive back home every single evening 4 to 8 p.m. आप हमें SMS कर सकते हो 0586861003. That's our WhatsApp number. We want to hear from you. Every single Sunday, we have Sustainable Sundays. मतलब we talk to people who are doing something to help the planet, to create some kind of product, service or company that adds to the value of the planet, the country and humanity. And today we have two special guests, Garima and Prerna from Spruce Kids. Good evening, ladies.
Hello.
I got to switch on your microphone before you say good evening. So good evening, ladies.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much for joining us. So let's start with the basic things. What is Spruce Kids?
So Spruced Up for Kids is a platform for all pre-loved kids items. So that includes toys, books and utilities. And these are all items that we've gathered from different parents, and we price it down, and we also offer free home delivery.
Wow.
Along with that, we also have a service for the parents who are trying to recycle. So basically, these are the toys that we kind of get from them, and we...
So basically these are used or pre-used toys and books and stuff like that,
Exactly.
which you're recycling or upcycling
Yeah.
and selling it. So
Yeah.
how did you come about this idea?
So actually both of us has our own kids. So I have one daughter, Prerna has two kids. So that's how this idea come. We buy a lot of stuff for our kids, and the kids have a very short attention span. Plus they outgrow it very fast. Plus they outgrow it very fast. So that's how we understood, because there's a lot of scope of what we can do it here. So that's how one day Prerna and I was discussing what to do with all these toys, whether to throw it or we can do something about it. So that's how the Spruced Up idea came. And just to add to Prerna, so what does Spruce Up mean? Spruce Up means to clean up. So it is like we are just trying to cleaning up the environment for kids.
So you're sprucing up the environment
Yes,
for children.
exactly.
So the idea came because you yourself had children and they were constantly buying things. And हमारे Indian family में ऐसा होता है कि the older brother's stuff is given to the younger brother anyway, right? Or
I don't
some-
think anymore.
Not anymore.
Yeah.
Or some NRI. If you have an NRI cousin, you always get their cool NRI clothes, right?
Yeah, I think those are great. I mean, if you get them, that's great. But also sometimes, like I have two kids, one is a girl and the other one is a boy. Now, unfortunately, he doesn't like the toys that she had, so I have to now get all cars and trucks and trains for him. So it's kind of, it really depends on the demographics of the household and all of that. Along with that, I think there is also a benefit of, getting like all these branded toys, which sometimes are from various geographies, especially in a country like UAE, where there is so much expat population. You see toys which are not usually available in UAE, but expat population. You see toys which are not usually available in UAE,
That's
but you
right,
could
that's right.
get them, from all over the world, which the selection is a lot more wider when you go.
So what about clothes? Your daughter cannot use your son's clothes, but in about 10 years, she can wear your clothes.
Yes.
Actually, currently, actually, we are not doing clothes. We
Okay.
are currently doing mostly toys and books.
Toys and books, okay.
Yeah, that's how we started. Maybe in future we start that, but that's how we started right now. Since January, we are doing.
So
toys
if
and
somebody
books.
has old toys and books, how do they get it through to you?
So basically, if you visit our website www.sprucestufforkids.com.
SpruceStuffForKids.com.
Yeah, Spruce
Wow,
Stuff.
tongue twister name, huh?
Yeah.
Spruce Stuff
So that's
for
why
Kids.
I explained the name.
SpruceStuffForKids.com.
It's Spruced Up for Kids.
Spruced up for
So
kids.com.
cleaning up for kids. Exactly.
Okay, spruced up for kids.com.
So you can
Tongue
go
twister,
to our
man.
recycle.
Seashells on the seashores. Spruced up for kids.com. Okay, see?
Got it.
Okay, I got it. Go for it.
So basically, we have a recycling page where we have written what our policies. If someone
Tell us your policy now.
So tell us the policies are like, if you have some item, you send us a pics of the item. We have a form. Just tell us how many items you have. We have given our indicative pricing on our website.
So give me an
also.
example pricing. If it's
So
like a
example
toy.
pricing is, suppose a branded toy, if you are getting around 100 dirhams currently. So we will probably buy from the customer, from our seller at around 10 dirhams.
So when you're saying 100 dirhams, the branded toy is available at a toy shop.
Yeah.
New
at-
toy.
Okay.
New toy.
A new new toy. Okay.
Branded new toy. We will buy it at 10 dirhams, because ultimately we try to sell that at around 30-35 dirhams.
That's right.
Because then we have our own cost, like delivery cost. We will do the free pickup from the seller.
Amazing.
So we just request the sellers to have plenty of items, and we particularly try to engage with the parents who are looking, like who may be moving out or looking for decluttering.
So if somebody just has like 4 or 5 toys, you don't want to buy those?
Actually, it's the cost are like we have to arrange a pickup. So it's a free pickup, and currently, as I said, we are doing toys and books, not big furniture items like.
No, so if some parent has 5 toys and they
Yeah.
want to give you 5 cars, say like these cool Mattel, sports cars,
Yeah.
you will say no, or you will say
they can happy to drop off.
They're happy to. Where do they drop it off?
JLT or Greens.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
So they can even drop off the toys,
Yes.
and you will
Just-
give them say
yeah.
10 dirhams per toy or something like that.
Something like that.
Interesting.
Just want to add, the reason that it is this way right now is because we're just starting off, and there are a lot of costs and stuff associated to the business. So we're just trying to establish ourselves with, and this is the only platform actually that pays upfront right now. So most of the other platforms you list only when you find a buyer is where
That's
you
right.
get.
That's
so
right.
this is the only platform where we are paying you upfront.
So you're
we want
investing
to-
in it.
Yes, we are
Yes.
investing, and hence we
So
want to make
it's-
sure
we are
that
buying.
there is-
You're actually flipping. It's called flipping.
Yes, yeah,
so
flipping, yes.
tell us more about the sustainable element, because today's Sustainable Sundays. How is this actually helping?
So okay.
So if you see, actually, there's the plastic that comes from toys. About 80% of the plastic from toys cannot be recycled, and it ends up in the landfill. So that's one of the primary drivers where when we looked around our houses, we see, and most of the toys actually are plastic. And if you go for wooden, sustainable toys, the options are few, plus they're expensive. So that's the main reason why we wanted to kind of get into this, is to ensure that this whole plastic, which we cannot recycle meaningfully, can at least be reused. So we are reusing and thus reducing the waste, instead of just buying or going on buying the same plastic
Beautiful.
over and over again.
Reuse, reduce, recycle. The
Yes.
3 R's of sustainable movement.
Right. So just to add to Prerna point, so as of now, we have did recycling for around more than 850 products. So out of which 350 for toys. So you imagine all these products were actually going to throw in the bin. And maybe sitting at someone's house who is not using, just a waste. So thanks for those parents who have given us those things, and thanks to those parents who have actually given us the opportunity, so they buy from us.
That's right.
And another thing which we are adding is, we are not just giving it, we are cleaning the toys also.
Okay.
So when
You're
you're
sprucing it up.
We are sprucing it up, exactly. So if you are buying, as said, from a third person on our website like Marketplace, you are just getting it. So what we are saying, we are cleaning it and we are giving it to
Fixing
you.
it.
Yeah.
Maybe one part of that Lego character's hand is gone, so you take a hand from somewhere else and fit it in.
So like in our website, we have told the condition of the toys also. So you will see excellent, very good, good.
Okay.
So that the customer can make an informed decision.
This is for the buyer,
For the buyer.
not for the seller.
No, seller has to give us that thing, whether
He
it's
has to
excellent, very good or
You
good.
don't decide. He can say excellent, but it might be in a very
so when
bad
it
condition.
comes to us, ultimately when we are putting on our platform, we are putting it for the buyers, and we tell the condition of the toys upfront, so that
Okay.
accordingly we price them.
Sure. In a few minutes, we're going to still continue chatting with Garima and Prerna on Sustainable Sundays. We're going to dig a bit more deeper into how this plastic in these toys do not decompose. And I also want to find out, is the plastic in these toys actually harmful for these children? If you have any questions for Garima or Prerna, they're talking about Sustainable Sundays and how they have created this little company that buys your old toys from you and resells it, and also gives you money instead of throwing it into the dustbin, so that it doesn't go into our earth and destroy the planet. So if you have any questions for them, आप हमें WhatsApp भेज सकते हो on 0586861003. BBC Sports Update, and then we'll continue our conversation. The conversation going as you drive home. This is Talk Back, and on air with us we have Garima and Prerna. They're the founders of a sustainable company that buys old toys and sells it back to you. It's called Spruce Up Kids. sprucedupforkids.com. And today's Sustainable Sundays. Har Sunday hum baat karte hain with people who are making a change and making some kind of a business that helps the environment. And Garima, you were telling us about how the toys are actually made out of plastic, which might not be so good for the environment, but definitely not good for the children. Tell us a bit more about this.
So most of the plastic toys today are made out of PVC. So very few of them are BPA free and such. So this is a reason why, we cannot really meaningfully recycle these toys and make something new out of it.
That's right.
However, plastic toys are in many aspects good for the kids because they are durable. They can be easily washed when it comes to kids because they are not really
not easily swallowable.
Yeah, those things.
Not edible.
Yeah, yeah, and then easy to handle by the small hands as well, right?
That's
so
right.
Given all that, so there is a reason why plastic toys are so popular. But unfortunately, they're not recyclable. So, when you think about it from this perspective, so what do we do about this problem? So, one option is we continue business as usual, and which means we're going to create so much more plastic in the years to come. So now the other option is let's start reusing what we've already bought. And because one child definitely outgrows it, a child is
True.
2 months, then he's 6 months, and then the needs definitely change as the child kind of goes through various growth phases. So one child's, when he's outgrown, the other child can definitely come in and start
Absolutely.
using it. So once we reuse, at least we are reducing this waste by not creating more and more plastic. So I think that's one of the aspects that we really click with and connect with and wanted to kind of focus on as we started our business.
Amazing. Do you find the intake from parents positive, or are parents saying, no, I prefer to buy new toys for my children?
So actually, when we started in January, we started with our own toys, and it got sold out so quickly because we were thinking, okay, the process will be slow. Then okay, no, it is something which is happening, and we have our Insta page. There are so many reviews from the parents. Like sometimes the person is thanking, okay, they are getting a 200 dirham toy, 50 dirham. Sometimes people are just appreciating the thing which you are doing. So how much plastic that you are sustaining, how much plastic you are recycling. So we get a lot of appreciation from the parents, and it's all a very positive response. That's why it's almost 6 months we are in, and we are now totally in it. And also we are soon going to launch a Spruced Up library,
Okay.
which will be like an online library for books. So
Nice.
So that's why we are expanding. We are trying to get more things because we got a very positive response.
Fantastic. This is amazing. Thank you for being planet and eco warriors and recycling toys and books so that they don't go into the planet's waste fills and destroy with non-biodegradable plastic. So this is amazing that you guys are doing. Any messages you have for parents out there who are looking for toys?
Yeah, I think definitely, like for those who are looking for toys, we would recommend coming to our platform. We have over 2,000 pre-loved toys and books out there. So before you kind of go in and buy a new one, we would request them to please get on our platform, www.sprucedupforkids.com. Look at our collection. We also offer free home delivery, so it's a very trusted platform that you can buy from. We are always available here in case you have any questions or concerns.
Would you see the big players like maybe a Hamleys and Kids R Us and Toys R Us and Borders and everywhere else, and Virgin Megastore and many other places where you get toys, would you see them as a feeling that you guys are competition? Because nobody's going to buy new toys if everybody can buy pre-owned toys. Have you thought of it? Did you do a
that
SWOT?
would be great.
Did you do a SWOT analysis to say, okay, this is an opportunity or a threat?
Right. Yeah, we would love to see that day.
Have you put some thinking into
but
this?
Yes, we have, and I think a lot of big plastic manufacturers, such as Hasbro and stuff, they are also starting to think on these lines. However, if for the parents who are into this, like they'll definitely know that the average price of a recycled plastic toy is quite high. So you would be looking at 100 dirham toy or for a car or something like that, where the same regular comparable one would be at 30 dirhams. So definitely in these cases also going for pre-loved makes a lot of sense. If the bigger industry players join, to me, like I think right now it seems like it would be a win for us, because definitely it means that there is, there's some meat to this, and we need to do more of it.
That's right. Amazing. Thank you so much for being with us, ladies, as part of Sustainable Sundays. Really appreciate you coming in, and all the best for sprucedupforkids.com.
Got it right.
I know.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot. We
Thanks.
appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
You.